Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. And again, our good friend Charlene Patton joined us from the Kansas Soybean Commission all the way down from Topeka. Had a lot of great stuff. You've got a new great book out that folks can order. A lot of great recipes in it. This one, not necessarily from that book, but that still doesn't mean it's not a great recipe.
Oh, that's right. But we do want them to order the Soy Foods Guide.
Absolutely.
It's the 2024 version, and it is filled with recipes and information. And 3 of the recipes in there were selected from the Kansas Soybean Commission. So they're recipes we've done with you.
All
so
right.
Yes. Okay, so this is a kale, edamame, and quinoa salad. And I've already cooked the edamame. We want 2 cups of that in here. And you are going to add the soybeans here the edamame.
Okay.
So can you add those? I've already cooked those ahead of time. And one of the great things about purchasing it, if you get it frozen in the grocery store now, you can put that plastic container right in the microwave. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on the wattage of your microwave. And so you don't even have to get another pan out.
Okay,
just do that, cool it, and add it to that. Now you're going to add the kale.
All right.
And this recipe suggests that you take the ribs off of there. So it's just the leaves that we're going to have in there.
Okay.
And I'll stir that up. Now you have tomatoes.
We do.
And those are the grape tomatoes. I've just have those. You can see we have lots of great color in
yes,
here.
I was noticing that just even from the beginning, the colors were already taking shape.
That's right. Now we're going to add a little extra flavor, and you have some onion. This is a 1/2 cup of chopped onion. I chose the red onion this time because I thought, okay, that's going to give us another little color here.
Yes.
But you could use a yellow, white onion, green onion, whatever you wanted to do. Now, the last container there that you have is dried cranberries.
Okay.
So we'll put those in here. There you go. Let that kind of mix in. And then you have our dressing over there. I've already put all the ingredients in there. You can kind of mix it up. It is our vegetable oil, and we know that that's only soybean oil, right? And we have some fresh lemon juice, a little bit of mustard, and then I also grated a little bit of lemon zest to that too. So you can pour that over that.
Okay.
Great. I love this container. It makes it easy to measure. We'll mix that together. Look how nice that looks.
Okay.
Great. We'll just do that. And then our last little addition to this recipe, after we mix this together, I'll give that to you, is a little bit of the pumpkin seeds.
Okay.
And you can just sprinkle those on top there. Great. It gives it a little bit of extra crunch that you have there.
Yeah.
And I'll just show how nice that looks.
That
I tell you,
really good.
A really fresh and refreshing salad to have for spring, for April. And they can get the recipe at kansassoybeans.org. or go to our website at Kansas Soybeans, or call our 800 number at 877-KS-SOYBEAN.
All right. And, of course, if you missed any of it, don't worry. It'll also be on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Charlene, thanks so much for coming down again, and I know you've got more amazing things to show us. And she'll be back next week with another amazing recipe, and we will be right back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.